Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Tuning in from around the globe, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. Yes, we are running late. The market is open. But I'm running late today, so don't even trip. We're going to get into everything that we normally get into. But first, check out this theme song. $1 trillion tickers, watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers, turning data to gold. $1 trillion tickers, watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers, turning data to gold. $1 trillion tickers, watch the market unfold. $1 trillion tickers, turning data to gold. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. So I was cooking up yesterday. It's not done yet, but just a little preview to that thing. Alright. Let me run this stuff right quick before we get into the show. Alright. It is April 20th. Happy 420 to the smokers. I am not one, but enjoy yourself. Shout out Elon Musk. I'm sure he's going to do something for 420. He always be celebrating. This is the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. We already did a pre-market briefing show. This is the market open. I gave you the levels. And now, let's see if those levels hit. So basically, the Strait of Hormuz is closed. And it looks like the market is digesting it. Because it did gap down a lot in the pre-market. And yesterday, when the futures open at 3 p.m. But it's looking like the market is trying to recover. SPY is down. SPY is down. Just not even 0.25%. QQQ is barely under 0.25%. So we're looking strong. We're looking strong. To get over Friday's high, we gotta break this. I'm tripping. That was Apple. Oh, that was Apple's chart. My bad, peoples. Man, Apple was about to look like it was heading toward Friday's high. But Friday's high for SPY was 712.39. It's currently 709. So, as you can see here, it did open up way down here inside the gap, but it's actually made a strong move here in the pre-market. So, let's see how far we can go. All right, let's check QQQ. There we go. The VIX actually opened up at 1999 in the Asian session, but it's dropped the whole time, and now it's at 1893, so that's good. NVDA opened up, came down almost to the pre-market low, but it's looking real strong right now. It's about to break the pre-market high. NVIDIA is at $200.30. Is down almost 0.75%. Tesla's up 1% right now. It's actually in the Smart Money Concepts resistance zone. Apple, this one we was talking about. Apple just broke that Friday's high, so Apple is looking strong. It's up almost 1%, so that shook off the Strait of Hormuz news real easy. Apple did. All right, next we got Google.
All my pre-market highs have been broken from when I set these levels earlier. So that's good. Google is also in the smart money concept resistance zone. Google is down 0.5%. Microsoft is down over 0.25%. Amazon is down 0.5%. Came right up to my daily level and rejected. TSL. TSM is down almost 1%. Meta is down 1.25%. AVGO is down 1%. Man, this thing ran up in the pre-market, and now it's pulling back a lot. Walmart is up almost 1%, and BRK.B is up almost 0.25%. Let's check the oil stocks. Let's check the Iran war watch list and see what's going on. BNO, as you can see, it had gapped down from Thursday to Friday, and now it just gapped up from Friday to Monday. So it's up 2.75%. USO, same thing. It's up 3.33% today. XLE is up 0.25%. XOP is up almost 0.75%. IEO is up 0.5%. Lockheed Martin is up 1/3%. Same thing for Northrop Grumman. Raytheon Technologies up 0.5%. Chevron is up almost 0.75%. And ExxonMobil is up over 0.75%. All right, let's check some of our other tickers we like to look at. Oh, I gotta move this all-time high up here on SPX. Here we go. SPX is down almost 0.25% to 7,110. The NAS 100 is down almost 0.25% to 26,618. Also have to move this all-time high up here. Yeah, I'm about to finish cooking that song up. I'm about to finish cooking the theme song up for sure. Give me a couple days. That thing will be straight fire. For real. Look at Pam Bondi's Dow Jones. This is another version of it.
Turning data to gold. Watch the market unfold. $1 tickers. Turning data to gold. $1 tickers. Watch the market unfold. $1 tickers. Turning data to gold. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.
Yeah, I've been cooking up, man. That's another version of it. That's another version. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet. But all right. Pam Bondi's Dow Jones is at 49,431. Dow Jones ETF is at break even at 494.29. VIX is at 1918 now. VIX is moving up. The 10-year Treasury note is at 4.26. Gold is at $4,817 an ounce. The gold mini ETF is in the gap. It's at the mini shares trust is at 95.32. Silver is down almost 1.5%. Copper is down over 1%. AMD is up 1%. Bitcoin is at 75,160. IBIT is at 4263. Ethereum is up 2%. BMNR is down almost 4%. Palantir is down almost 0.5%. And Robinhood is down 1%. Check out the sectors. Tech is down almost 0.25%. Consumer discretionary is down 0.5%. Communications is down almost 0.5%. Energy is up almost 0.75%. Finances is up over 0.25%. Healthcare is down 0.25%. Consumer staples is up 0.5%. Utilities is up fractionally. Industrials is down fractionally. Materials is up 0.25%. And real estate is barely over break even. Check out some of these other ETFs we like to look at. IWM is down 0.25%. SPYG is down 0.5%. SOXQ is barely under break even. SMH is down 0.33%, but SOXX is barely over break even. Interesting. See what having TSM can do. XLG is down almost 0.5%. The IVES 30 is down 1/3%. SPYI is down 0.11%. And QQQI is down fractionally. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be a short show today. I'm still running late, so I'm gonna go ahead and play this theme song one more time, and we are out of here. Ooh, I'm cooking up, y'all. I'm cooking up. But yeah, you know, Mondays and Fridays I'll be hella rushed, so I'm cutting this show short. But it looks like the Strait of Hormuz being closed, the market is not reacting too crazy. SPY is not even down 0.25%. QQQ is down a little over 0.25%. So it's nothing crazy. You can see the heat map right here. We do got a lot of red in tech and healthcare, but there's still a lot of green across this map. So energy's looking nice. But yeah, I think we can shake this off. See what happens with Tesla on Wednesday. They got their earnings. But yeah, tomorrow the show will be better. I think I'm gonna have all the songs ready for yeah, I'm gonna be cooking those up today at work. All right. Have a wonderful day. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.